Hey guys, Wire here. I think today we're going to do this wannabe anvil that I got at Jacktown. I'm going to do this outside today because it's like 100 degrees in my shed, and I just washed and waxed my bike, and I don't want this crap getting all over it. So let's see what this is going to look like. I'm going to start off with a wire wheel. Okay guys, you see I'm fighting this thing. That crappy Harbor Freight pneumatic, whatever the hell it is, broke on me, so I'm going to try a flap disc. We'll see what we can do with this. See if that'll help out a little bit better. So let's give it a shot. Okay guys, I used a flap disc on this. This is like one of the toughest things I've ever had to get rust off of. As you can see, there's a lot of pitting on this. I'm going to go with a grinding wheel next and see what that'll do. I like to get some of this off. I'm probably just going to paint the bottom of this and leave this all nice and flat. So let me get this set up for a grinding wheel, and hopefully we can get this nice and clean. Anyway, we'll be right back. Okay guys, here it is all finished. Nice and flat up here. I got all the pitting out. I didn't get all the pitting out on the side here, but I don't use the side too much. This is basically for bending anyway. And Scoutcraft, I hope you like the color. It's the only can of paint I had anyway. I'm usually painting stuff blue, but I figure I'd give it a Scoutcraft or red this time around. Anyway, this is one of the toughest things I've ever had to restore. Had some issues with the pneumatic cutoff wheel that I usually use for polishing this stuff here. But it was a Harbor Freight one. I think it's Central Machinery. Well, that went in the garbage, so I'm probably going to go over. Well, I'm not going to go to Harbor Freight. I'll probably go Home Depot and get a name brand one, because I do use that a lot for polishing and getting some of the rust off of my tools. Anyway, fellas, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys the next time. This is Wired. See ya!